Elgato has sponsored me to tell you WTF is the Elgato Wave 1 microphone. I've recommended the Wave 3 to dozens of my clients that were very happy with it. What is the Wave 1 USB microphone and how is it different? So, what you need to know about this series of microphones that makes it different than every other microphone out there is the Elgato Wave series microphones has the Wave Link software with it. So it's not just the mic, it's the most easy to use software that I am aware of that I use on consulting calls with my clients that helps them connect all of the different things in their studio together with their mic audio. So this is the mic right here. Not only do you get the mic audio, but you also get Spotify, game audio, internet browser audio, PowerPoint audio, and you can combine all of those together in a digital mixer situation that makes combining all of your audio in one interface ultra easy. The other thing about this microphone that's great is it has the ability to be mounted to basically any stand. It comes with an adapter on the bottom. It also comes with a table stand that you can put on the table, and it also has a USB-C style input. It's got a volume knob right here on the front, and on the back, you'll see that you can plug in the USB cable and headphones to do monitoring. It also allows you to adjust and to flip this thing 360 degrees within its stand in order to get it into the perfect position for you. And it does come with a few official accessories that you'll have to pay separately for. So why would you get something like the Elgato Wave 1 versus the plethora of other USB microphone options? The number one reason to get this mic versus anything else is that the software, the Wavelink software that comes with it, makes digital audio mixing easier than any other solution I have used in the last 10 years. That's the difference between this one and all the others. Make sense? That's what the Elgato Wave 1 is, and if you're interested in picking it up, check out the link in the description below.